Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Balance by Hina. This is stand to headstand level 2. Let's lie down onto the mat on our back. From here, you're going to pull the belly in, engage your core and lift the right leg up into a tabletop and then left leg up into a tabletop. Now you can stay here or straighten your legs up towards the ceiling. While doing this, there should be no strain in the back or in the neck. We are going to hold this for about 10 more seconds. You can come back to tabletop position anytime you like in between. And relax. From here, let's move into a shoulder stand. Press the hands down, lift the legs up and try to take your hip up towards the ceiling supported with your hands. Your 80% weight is on the upper shoulder and only 20% weight is on your elbows. So keep squeezing the glutes and try to think reaching up. Now slowly bend both your knees and place it on your forehead. Let's just stay there. Feel a nice stretch in your whole spine and then slowly roll out of it. Good job. We will repeat this one more time. So take your time. Again, press the hands down, lifting both legs and take the hip up towards the ceiling. If the shoulder stand is too much for you, you can do the 90-degree hold for both of these rounds. Now slowly bend your knees and place them on your forehead. Feel that nice stretch from your neck to your back. And then slowly we will roll out of it vertebra by vertebra. Excellent, guys. Take a little breather here. Now slowly I'm going to go and sit into Malasana, which is a yogic squat. And we're going to prepare for crow hops. Just hop. That's it. Let's turn around. This is an excellent way to understand how much upper body strength is required to control your whole body weight. So we're going to do a couple of these, just about 3 rounds. Let's go, last one. Excellent. We surely deserve a child's pose here. Next up is a tripod prep hold. For this, let's come into a box position, placing both hands in one line. And the head will go in front, making a triangle with your head and the hands. Placing the crown of the head on the ground, press the hands into the ground, lift both knees up and just hold there for about 5 seconds. And come back. Let's go again. Placing the crown of the head on the ground, press the hands, lift the knees up and hold. Slowly come back. We are doing this one last time. Let's again, placing the head, lifting the knees. And relax. Great job, yogis. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next session.